Hello, Mr. Leopoldsberger. Nice to see you're watching here. We got an unusual one in here. A Black Ripley. These were designed by Giugiaro in the early 1980s. The famously, this and the silver frosted model used in Aliens. When people say, oh, well, this wasn't in the movie. It was actually. The head of the colony on LV-426 wore one. And it was pictured in the, you can see it in the director's cut because it has the additional material for before the colony was destroyed by the xenomorphs, and you can see this one on there. So I consider this to be a legitimate screen-worn one. Somebody made new buttons for this one. You've sent in a set of original buttons. Boy, these must have been hard to find. Remember the last time I found a set of these, my old partner Jonathan Koch had them. He's been gone a long time. He's gone for 11 years. So that's a pretty cool thing, because these are supposed to have these yellow buttons on there. Overall, the watch is in great condition. Mine was not quite as nice as this. I mean, you still have like all the PVD on the high edges on the bracelets. Here it's worn a little bit there. Let's see about our functionality. Drops right back to where it should. Let's test your 30-minute register. Yep, there she blows. Boy, it's a nice bracelet. And you've got some extra links too. Boy, this is a nice pickup, wherever you got this from. One serious tool mark on here. Zoink. Since we're here, might as well look at the movement. Your case back is still in nice condition despite the hit there. Wow, yep, great clean movement. I don't see any servicing marks in here, or do I? No, that's just a random marking. Not a mark at all. Movement's in great condition. Nice physical condition. I can see right there. That is your trimmer. This allows for the fine adjustment of the accuracy of the movement. This is in factory setting. And it's got a Renata in there. I think get that thing out of there. I just don't trust them. I will secure you a new one. That one looks like it was clean. But I'm going to pull that out of there because I don't trust Renata batteries. Yeah, look at the just the lack. There's a little bit of wear on the back here. Somebody did not wear this watch a lot. So these are always fun to kind of redo. I'm going to have to pull these screws, pull this bit, and then these are clipped in here with little teeny tiny circlips, and I'll need to get those clipped in place and pulled out. So I'm going to have to pull the case down pretty far in order to get those replaced, but I can do that. I've got to do that anyway to replace the buttons gasket seal, so it's all the same to me. Though it does mean there's an extra set of circlips needed for me to fiddle with in order to get those off of there. should be good. Should be straightforward. Okay. I pulled that battery out of there, so it's not running anymore, and we will get this prepped and ready for service. I have your other watches are here that I need to check over. You got one with a winding issue that I'm going to look at, and the other one has a low power reserve. So I'll check those out separately, but there's your report on this watch.